Would you like to get a film look in your videos in just a few clicks? Today's video, color grading using a film emulation tool called Dehancer. It's a plugin for DaVinci Resolve, Premiere and Final Cut. Let me show you. Import. Firstly, we are gonna type Dehancer and drop it. You can see all the tools available and let me show you my favorites. We have input and first step is source, for example Rec09. But if you have a specific camera, you can choose your camera and vendor, which in my case is Canon R6, format 03 Colour Gamut. Film. These are essentially your film stock that you will shoot on. We have Kodak Portra 400, Kodak Supra 100, different kinds of Fujifilm, and one of my favorite is Cinestill 100T. Fill grain. Let's jump to fill grain. When you press enable in this effect, you will get this fill grain emulation. Check the scopes to see how it affects your footage. Halation. It's essentially when the red channels reflect back through the film. Look at this example. When you press enable in this effect, you will get halation. When you press mask mode, you can appreciate whole red channels affecting your footage. You have different controls and also different profiles. Bloom. It's a slight blooming that you can see very much in the highlights here. Look at this example. When you press enable in this effect, you have different controls and also different profiles. As you can see in this video, Dehancer is a powerful tool to get a really good film look in just a few clips. This is absolutely amazing. If you're interested to get this plugin, get a 10% off using the code BYSOMEX. Sweet, that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.